With over 2.9 billion monthly users, Facebook's success is undeniable. But what makes it the titan of social media, and how can you replicate its success? Facebook thrives on a mix of reliable web technologies like JavaScript for interactive elements and PHP for server-side functionality. This robust tech foundation is essential for a seamless user experience. The platform's popularity soared due to its controlled growth strategy, starting with a Harvard-only network and expanding strategically. Its clean design and reputation as a safe space helped it outpace competitors like MySpace. Facebook's community-building features like pages and groups, along with its chat function, foster a strong sense of belonging among users. Global communication is another key to Facebook's success. Its omni-channel approach ensures users can connect from anywhere, on any device. Key features like friending, messaging, content sharing, and safety measures make Facebook user-friendly and secure. To build a Facebook-like website, start by determining your niche. Understand your target audience's demographics, interests, and online behavior. Conceptualize functionality tailored to your audience. For younger demographics, prioritize features that cater to their preferences and safety. Hire expert developers with a proven track record. Check their portfolio and ensure they offer post-release support. Collect feedback from users to refine your platform. Implement changes based on this feedback to enhance the user experience. Maintain your website by fixing bugs and optimizing for search engines. Regular updates will keep your platform competitive. Creating a social media app like Facebook offers numerous benefits, such as potential revenue and high user engagement. In conclusion, building a website like Facebook requires a deep understanding of technology, user experience, and strategic growth. By focusing on community, communication, and continuous improvement, you can create a social network that resonates with users worldwide.